Good afternoon. Oh, I'm so excited. Today, I'm going to teach you an old family recipe. You are going to love it. In today's cooking lesson, I'm going to show you how to make beef stew. I always serve my stew with dinner rolls or French bread. Sometimes, if I'm feeling really hungry, I make mashed potatoes and I cover the mashed potatoes with the stew. Yummy! First, cut up all of the vegetables. I love to put carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, celery, and peas in my stew. Some people like to add corn or some other vegetables. It's up to you. For this recipe, I use 2 pounds of beef. That's just under a kilogram. First, combine the flour, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Then, toss the beef in the flour mixture. Next, heat some olive oil in a large pot. Cook the beef and onions until they are browned. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The key to making meat extra tender and juicy is by searing the beef pieces before you add the stock. This will make a huge difference in the flavor of the soup. When you finish browning the beef, add the beef broth and red wine. Stir in all the remaining ingredients except for the peas, cornstarch, and water. Next, reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and simmer it for 1 hour or until the beef is tender. It might take up to 90 minutes. Mix equal parts of cornstarch and water. Slowly add this to the boiling stew until it reaches the desired consistency. Remember, this is stew, not soup, so you want it to be thick. Stir in the peas and simmer between 5 and 10 minutes before serving. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And finally, the best part, last but not least, enjoy!